Nice shot, dude.
There he is.
That's it?
One of these is for you, bro. That's how you do that. Shoot 12, eat breakfast.
We need 2 more birds to get our limit. Big thunderstorms coming around 11. It's already started drizzling, so 2 more. It's all we need. 2 more.
Y'all want to come over here? Yeah, we got 12. We've been done. We've been eating soup. Yeah, let us grab our birds and y'all come over here so y'all can try and get a limit.
Nice. That's the way it ended, boy. That's a wrap. Got our limit. At least we think so. They're all in the water. We just need to go find them. Jay pulled out a nasty finisher of a double on those last 2 right there. So we're good to go. We're gonna pack up, look for these birds, and get home before this rain and cook some breakfast.
Hey, I didn't want to shoot them all too quick. We're here to make a show.
Hunting or cooking, which would you say you guys are better at?
Sure. I think we're better at cooking. I think we're better at cooking. Favorite part about this lifestyle, I mean, it doesn't get much better than this, you know? We work real hard. We try to play a little hard, get a little relaxation, break free from the normal world for a little bit, and then enter our normal world, right? Where we get to harvest ducks, catch fish, live off the land, catch some frogs, you know? While we enjoy ourselves with a few cold pops and have a lot of fun as well. And you know, we got some serious bonds between these guys. You know, we're all like brothers. So yeah, you get a little free time, a little breakaway time. You can't beat it. You know, can't beat it.
How was it?
Y'all shot him up, huh?